This Quest 2 controller was sent in for a ring repair. Let's see how bad this actually is. Well, it's always a bad sign when they come in pieces. Clearly this portion of the inner ring is broken off and that ribbon cable has severed, and then our outer ring is pretty badly broken and just hanging on because this side is screwed in. I feel like I'm always getting questions in the comments about what is and what isn't fixable in a Quest 2 controller ring, and this one's perfectly fixable. I'm going to need a new inner ring piece to replace this part because that ribbon is severed, and then we'll also need a replacement ring. Okay, let's get to work. We can go ahead and throw this away. We don't need that anymore. Go ahead and take our battery out. Taking our faceplate off allows us access to the screws underneath so that we can disassemble the controller. I like to turn my faceplate upside down. It makes for a nice little screw tray. Now I'll just need my T5 screwdriver and we'll take out all these screws. In order to access the screws in the battery compartment, I need to take this little label out here, and then we'll go ahead and take these 3 screws out as well. Now we can go ahead and take off this outer ring, this inside grip, and the grip assembly. This battery compartment needs to come out, so we'll flip this latch. I take that off too. And now I can finally take out this broken plastic piece here. Go ahead and join these 2 ring components and make sure that's clipped in there, and then reinsert that cable. After we put the battery compartment back on, we can go ahead and throw a battery in there and we get a light. Controller's getting power. So I know that I can go ahead and put this back together. We'll start with the trigger here, then our grip assembly fits over the top, the inside grip portion here, and then finally the ring. I always like to clean these controllers up before they leave the shop, so we'll go ahead and take some ISO, get in here and clean that all out. Now that we've got that cleaned up a little bit, we can go ahead and put the screws back in. Then we can go ahead and put that faceplate back on by just pressing down, and that controller is ready to go. Everything's tested and working, and luckily I didn't have to replace the joystick on this one, which is fairly common with these units. If you guys need help with your Quest 2 ring repair or just help with VR repairs in general, you can always reach out to us on our website fixmyoculus.com or check out our full repair tutorial videos. And while I got you here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more VR related content like this.